Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows security blank in Windows 11 computer. Let's fix it guys. Today's I'm gonna sharing 3 solution in this video guys. You will definitely be getting resolved by one of it. Let's fix it guys. For that first solution you just want to go to search menu and type Windows security. In here you will be getting app settings. Click on it. Scroll down guys, select the reset and select reset. After getting reset done guys, close out of here, go ahead and restart your PC guys. Check this solution works for you or not. If you not get resolved, let's move on to the next solution. For that, go to search menu and type registry editor. Click open it. Select yes. Now you just need to copy my description for this registry file path location guys. You just want to copy it and you just want to paste it in the registry file path here guys. You just want to paste in, press enter. We will be getting SecurityHealthService. On right side you just want to double click on the start value. Here you just want to double click on it and change this value data to 3 guys. If anything is noted here, you just want to change this to 3 and after changing it, click OK. Just want to close and get back of it and go ahead and restart your PC guys. And after restarting your PC, hopefully this can able to resolve a problem. For changes take effect, you just want to restart it guys and check your problem resolved or not. If you're still having a problem, let's move on to the third solution. For that, right click on the start icon, select terminal admin, select yes. Now check my video description for this command guys used in my video. You just want to copy it and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in, or you can also Ctrl V, paste it in, press enter. Wait for it, the command get done. You just want to close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. Hopefully this can able to resolve a problem guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.